Hi everyone, we are talking about New Year Revelation, and today we'll talk about the story of Hagar.
Hagar.
We'll start with that, then we'll speak about the New Year Revelation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you tell the story of Hagar.
Hagar was running away from her mistress Sarai. Then she met an angel of the Lord. She said, he said, the angel of the Lord, that he said that, where are you going and where are you from?
Oh, where are you from and where are you going? Okay, so Joash, what is this angel of the Lord?
The angel of the Lord here, every time he appears, he speaks and he speaks
With the same authority?
with the same authority and power as God.
Yeah.
And one more thing is that after Jesus was born, no one saw him again.
Okay,
What?
so many theologians, they believe that angel of God is Jesus, God pre-incarnation of Jesus. And another thing, the angel of the Lord is a powerful angel appeared to Abraham, Jacob, Moses,
Hagar.
and Hagar. So many people think that it's the pre-incarnate form of
God.
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 Means Jesus.
Jesus.
Okay, so why God was asking the question to Hagar? No? Hagar, where are you from and where are you going? Where are you coming from? Where are you going?
It's not a question. That's obvious.
Okay.
If you read most of the Bible to that point, because he already knows everything. He knows
I
that.
mean, God knows everything,
Yeah.
so He don't have to ask a
Yeah,
question.
he doesn't. He never asks a question.
Yeah, it's something like God want to jot the memory of the person,
Yeah.
or like want to know the experience that person going through. Now God is making an interrogation with this woman so that He can contemplate, He can stir up the contemplation that will lead to a revelation and ultimately guides to a transformation of her heart. Okay,
And
so
we have
God's
to-
intention was to transform the heart of this girl Hagar. So that's why God is asking question.
He also wants us to know our identity. He wanted Hagar to realize what her identity is,
Where she's from,
where she's from,
and what is her purpose? Where
what is
she
her purpose?
heading to?
Where is she heading to?
Yeah.
Go ahead and check out the video. What was it?
Oh no, but one thing, like when we are in a crossroad of 2020 and 2021, so we have to know from where we are coming from, what happened, what things happen in 2020, and what the things go ahead, waiting ahead. There is a thing like say that the optimist,
Optimist.
they will open the door and wait for 2021 coming, and pessimist will close the door and he will be waiting till the 2020 is finished. But a Bibleist, a person believing in God, now he doesn't care about all these things. Now he knows that his God cares for him. Okay, what is your take from the crossroad of 2020 and 2021?
Well, what I say is like God's wanting us to realize our identity going into 2021. That is, number one, a king.
Oh, that is our identity
Yeah. To reign
as the children of
and
God.
rule.
King.
Yeah. To reign and rule, and as a priest.
Priest.
What is a priest? Oh, this is a priest?
It's a priest garment.
Yeah.
A priest to intercede for people, and a prophet to speak of the miracles of God, prophesy, and miracles.
Or bring the hidden things into light.
Into light.
That is what eagle?
That's an eagle.
And king is the crown.
The king's crown,
That's the king's
the priest's garment,
Priest.
and as a eagle, that is a prophet, bringing light into the hidden things.
Yeah.
Or the mouthpiece of God,
Yeah.
the prophet.
And also, if you can see them, look down there and you can see some bees.
What is the honeybee represent?
Honeybee. When you go into 2021, there'll be honey in your workplace.
It's a year of honeybee,
Yeah,
2021?
year of honeybee.
Wow, what is it?
Yeah, so if you ever tasted honey, I'm pretty sure some of you have. It's very sweet, isn't it? It's kind of like.
It's very sweet,
It's
yes.
very sweet, like maple
And
syrup.
don't get confused with honey.com.
Okay, what is talk about the honeybee?
So,
It's very sweet.
sweet.
So you mean the people, the 2021 is going to be sweet?
Yeah, it's already
Yeah,
it's
okay,
gonna be- It's going to be really easy to cut through.
Okay.
As who knows for 2022?
Okay,
Who
okay.
knows?
So, there will be sweetness in your workplace, in your ministry, in your family. 2021 is going to be year of honeybee. Now you will
Well,
experience
not the
sweetness
eating
in all areas in your life, right? Okay. So, what happened after that? Then, like after Hagar delivered a child, and Hagar came back to the wilderness, the desert again.
That's when the angel of the Lord met her again.
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 She was crying because there's no water. Water is over, and baby is going to die. And and what did angel of the Lord did?
So the angel of the Lord, he made a spring from the water.
Oh,
And
so
an interesting fact was, I searched this up, that under some scientists, they found a
Fish.
fish. It was dead. Fish. What do you call
okay,
those
from the desert.
in the desert.
Oh,
buried
okay.
in the desert.
Okay, that's good. Our God is a mighty God. He can open reservoir of water in the desert. Even in your life, 2021, God will open up reservoir for you. God will open channels for you. God will open wells for you. Our God is a mighty God. He will open up streams in the wilderness. He will open up the fountain of water in the desert. 2021, God will do a great thing in your life. And 2021, God will bless you exceedingly, abundantly, above all. What does it mean? It means God will bless you a lot in 2021. What else you want to speak to people? 2021, you will talk about the 2021 revelation. What does this 20 means in spiritual realm,
20
in
means,
prophetics?
Bondage.
Yeah, 20 means it's a bondage. It's a hard work,
'Cause Joseph-
toil, hard work, toil, suffering. Jacob, he worked 20 years
For Laban, before he can earn his wife and his property.
and property. To get his wife and property, he worked 20 years.
20.
Hard work.
Hard.
And Solomon,
Solomon?
it took 20 years to him to build the temple, and the
his
palace.
home.
And Abraham, was interceding for people, and God said, if there is 20 righteous people, I will deliver the city.
David.
And the king Jabin,
David.
the Canaanite,
He,
was oppressing Israelite.
For 20 years.
And until the Barak
And Deborah.
Deborah, they deliver the Israelites.
Israelites.
Okay, so the number 20 in prophetics is suffering, hard work, is a toiling and bondage. But what is 21 in prophetic?
21 in prophetics is
Number of deliverance.
number of
Do you remember the story of Daniel?
Yeah, he's fasted for 21 days.
Okay, 20 days, the angel was blocked by Prince of Persia. But the 21st day, deliverance came, the answer came. So Daniel fasted 21 days. So 21 is the number of deliverance. 2 is better than 1. 21 is the number of deliverance. So this year, you will receive the deliverance of God. You will have the supernatural encounter of God. Now you will see angels and you will fly in supernatural realm. Those who are meditating and reading Bible, as we said before, you will become a leader. And this year is the year of honeybee. You will experience sweetness in your family, sweetness in your workplace, and sweetness in your ministry. May God bless you exceedingly, abundantly, above all. God bless you a lot. Have a blessed 2021.
And also, be sure to check out our video, The Purpose of Life.
Yeah.
The Purpose of
Okay.
Life. So,
Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed 2021.
Goodbye.